Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. Today we're diving into a massive, fundamental shift in how we all use the internet. I want you to imagine asking a super complex question and getting the absolute perfect, comprehensive answer instantly. No opening 10 different websites, no endless scrolling, and definitely no clicking through a million tabs. Well, that's no longer science fiction, folks. We are right in the middle of the Google AI search revolution. Google is literally transforming before our eyes, from a static directory of links into an instant AI-powered assistant that actually reads, summarizes, and compares sources for you. It's a huge leap forward, and honestly, it is happening way faster than anyone expected.
All right, let's really dive into this. For over 20 years, the internet basically ran on one highly predictable model: 10 blue links. You typed in a question, and Google handed you 10 options. From there, you had to do all the heavy lifting. You know the drill: clicking, reading, hitting the back button, sifting through page after page just to piece together what you needed. And let's be real here, unless you were incredibly desperate, you never actually clicked through to page 2, right? Google's one and only job was just to connect you to websites. Those 10 blue links were the absolute foundation of the entire web economy.
But that brings us to a really massive kind of existential dilemma. What happens when those links just disappear? Think about it. If an AI reads all those websites for you and drops a perfectly synthesized answer right at the top of the page, what on earth happens to the millions of websites relying on those clicks? What happens to all the SEO strategies, the marketing campaigns, and literally countless jobs that were built entirely around capturing that search traffic?
Well, the short answer is that we're officially entering the era of conversational answers. The whole search experience is moving away from being a simple transit hub that just connects you to other places. Instead, it's becoming the destination. The goal now is to give you a seamless, conversational answer right there on the search page. The AI is analyzing multiple sources in literal milliseconds, summarizing the key points and handing you exactly what you need without a single extra click. It's an absolute game changer for saving time as a user, but man, it completely rewrites the rules for anyone hosting content online. Section 2, the search engine arms race. Let's look at the competition that kicked this shift into high gear.
You see, Google didn't just wake up one morning and decide to overhaul its most profitable product for the fun of it. No, they were forced into a rapidly accelerating technological arms race. The domino effect of AI innovation over the last couple of years is just staggering. Late 2022, OpenAI drops ChatGPT and absolutely shocks the world. Then, early 2023, Microsoft doesn't miss a beat. They integrate AI straight into Bing, suddenly making a legacy search engine feel incredibly cutting edge. By mid-2023, Anthropic launches Claude, and Perplexity AI starts gaining major traction by blending language models with live web search. So, by late 2023, Google had to make a big move. To stay on top, rather than just tacking on a separate chatbot, they went all in and embedded AI right into their core search experience.
Ultimately, Google's goal with all this is super simple: deliver better answers, reduce search time, and improve user satisfaction. That is the North Star for these tech giants right now. And for everyday users like us, that is a huge win. Getting exactly what you need in seconds is fantastic. But here's the catch. For businesses whose entire revenue model is built on organic search traffic, this exact same goal is totally terrifying. It's absolute disruption. Section 3, the diversification imperative. Let's talk about preparing for the future. The immediate stakes for business owners and creators have literally never been higher. If you're operating in a world where AI is eating up traditional website clicks, how do you actually survive? Well, let's compare two scenarios. Take a standard affiliate blog. Their setup is incredibly fragile because they rely almost 100% on Google search traffic. If an AI summary steals their clicks, the revenue pretty much dries up overnight. Now contrast that with a modern multi-platform media brand. Their model is robust. They're diversified. We're talking a YouTube channel, a dedicated email newsletter, an active LinkedIn presence, and buzzing social communities. If AI cuts into their website clicks, this diversified brand barely even flinches because they've built multiple streams of attention. So the big takeaway here is that you have to build direct relationships. You simply can't rely on a single traffic source acting as a middleman between you and your audience anymore. Search is definitely going to remain an important tool for sure, but it can't be your entire business model. It has to be just one piece of a much broader, much tougher digital strategy where you actually own the connection with your customer. Section 4. SEO is evolving. It is not dead, folks. It's just different. There is so much anxiety swirling around the digital marketing world right now. People are practically writing obituaries for search engine optimization, saying it's completely over. But SEO isn't dying. It's just demanding a dramatic pivot in strategy. In the past,
SEO is all about gaming the machine. It was targeting specific keywords, stuffing them into your headers, and tweaking back-end technicals just to push a link higher up the page. But AI-era SEO? Totally different ballgame. The new baseline is providing trustworthy, accurate, and genuinely useful content. AI systems aren't just matching keywords anymore. They're actively hunting for expert knowledge, clear explanations, and totally original insights that they can confidently pull from to build those conversational answers.
Think of modern SEO like this. It's the practice of becoming a trusted, reliable source of original insights that AI systems can confidently reference and summarize. It's a huge mindset shift. The goal isn't just about ranking a page anymore. The ultimate goal is becoming the primary authoritative source that an AI actually chooses to learn from and present to the user. You have to become the expert the AI relies on.
Section 5. The future digital workforce. This massive technological shift isn't just changing how we market, it's completely changing the job market. And while that can feel a bit daunting, it's actually creating some incredibly exciting new career paths for people willing to adapt. These are the job titles of tomorrow, and they're available right now. An AI SEO specialist? They focus specifically on making content trustworthy for AI models. A prompt engineer is designing and refining the actual workflows and inputs that make the AI tick. An AI marketing consultant takes traditional strategies and supercharges them with AI tools. And a search experience optimizer is out there adapting entire brand strategies for this new conversational search behavior. If you take the time to really understand how AI behaves, you are going to be in the perfect position to fill these massive gaps in the market.
So, your action plan moving forward is clear. You need to combine human expertise with AI-powered tools. Get in there and learn the mechanics of how AI search actually works. Build cross-platform brands so you aren't completely dependent on one traffic source. And definitely use AI tools to boost your own productivity. But always verify that output with your own human expertise. The people who win this next era aren't going to be replaced by AI. They're going to be the ones who learn to use it better than anyone else.
Google isn't abandoning search. It's reinventing it. That really is the core thesis of our explainer today. Look, technology is always evolving. From the printing press to the internet to the smartphone, disruption is just a constant in our lives. And through every single one of those eras, adaptation has always been the absolute key to survival.
So the real question is, will you adapt before your competitors do? Because the internet has already changed. The era of conversational answers isn't coming, it's here. The tools are out there for everyone, but the advantage is absolutely going to go to the people who move first, diversify their presence, and learn to speak the language of AI. It's time to rethink your digital strategy today. Build those direct relationships and step into this new future with confidence. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and keep learning.